Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. Today we have some interesting update coming from the folks at Epic Games, and this has to do with Twinmotion. Twinmotion 2022.2 Preview 2 is now here. Now this comes with a whole lot of features and updates complementing the features that were released in the Preview 1 of Twinmotion 2022.2. Twinmotion is an amazing tool for architectural visualization, and in recent times it has been used for product visualization and a whole lot more. Right from when the folks at Epic Games purchased Twinmotion, there has been a huge set of updates and features that have now shipped over to Twinmotion. And today we are looking at the 2022.2 Preview 2 and the features that comes with it. One of the most amazing things that is now available in Twinmotion 2022.2 Preview 2 is the Sketchfab library support in Twinmotion. Sometime last year, Sketchfab joined the Epic family, and it is just natural to see that Sketchfab now has a full integration in Twinmotion, with Twinmotion users having access to over 700,000 assets that they can download directly in Twinmotion, and with the availability of Quixel Megascan library integration, this now makes a lot of sense. The GLTF and GLB import in Twinmotion is also available, as this also brings even more accessibility to users. Now, one thing to note with the GLTF and also the GLB importing in Twinmotion is that animated objects and skeletal animation are currently not supported, similar to what you have with importing FBX files. There's a high resolution export option right now, 16K resolution panorama output is now supported, the importing of lights from design softwares are also available, and it just keeps going on and on. And with this said, let's take a look at Twinmotion and see some of the nice things that you can now do with it. So how you can access Sketchfab is very simple. If you take a look at this section, you notice that we have Sketchfab right here. So if we click on the section which has to do with Sketchfab, you notice that we have even way more things. And like we rightly mentioned earlier, you have access to 700,000, which is like a whole lot. So if you're looking for people, you can click on this button. You can find the long list of people, models that you can bring in. If you're looking for things like vehicles, you can simply download a lot of vehicles from here. So let's say we're looking for a boat. Let's get this boat in. We can click on the download button and allow this to download. By simply hovering around any of this model, you can tell the creator, you can tell the name, see the size of the asset, and also confirm the license that is attached to it. And once you have your model ready, you can click, drag, and drop directly within your scene. Now you notice that we have a plus sign that actually tells us where this is going to be placed. And this is one incredible thing that now ships with this new feature that just simply makes it rock. So let's go all the way out and take a look at our boat. So we see the boat right here. I just need to zoom all the way out. So let's go all the way out, and actually let's tap F on the keyboard. All right. So we have the boat right here. Click on this button, select that, and scale it down. So we are going to scale this a little bit lower. Let's undo that and scale this a bit lower. Tap F on the keyboard, and let's simply scale this down some more. And of course, we have it right about a point like so. All right, so once we have this, we would select the move tool and move this all the way up. So one thing which most of you guys may have also noticed is if for some reason you bring in a model and you don't like the pivotal point of the model, of course you can change the pivot by clicking on this button, and you can edit the pivot wherever you want. So that's just like a side tip for those who have no idea about it. And with this said, you can now notice that we have our boat right in here. So in this way, you can now import things from Sketchfab and bring them directly into your scene and use them to populate your scene. Sketchfab has a huge set of assets that you can work with right now, and depending on what you're looking for, you can simply find them right here. So with this, you have a truckload of amazing assets that you can now import and do some beautiful things with. Now, if we go all the way back, there is also some more additions that are now available in Twinmotion. So if we go over to the characters, there are lots of characters. So if you go over to the animated humans, you would notice that we have a brand new set of animated humans that are now available here. So you can check them out. You'd also notice that in terms of assets that you'll be working with, if you go over to the object section, go over to the home, you notice we have some musical assets that you can download and you can work with. You would also be able to find even lots of things that exist within the Megascan section. And these are all testaments to beautiful things you can now use to beautify your scene and create amazing masterpiece, especially once you're thinking about making some very cool and impressive renders right here in Twinmotion. So this is more like it. For those who like to take a look at all of this, and probably you like to catch up with Twinmotion, or maybe you want to read up on some of the nice features that Twinmotion now has to offer. Links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one,